been 4 months since I've been on the motorbike, which is an insane amount of time. The rear tire's flat. Whoa, shit. But it's been like crazy. I've been to like 7 different countries for work. Been to Singapore 4 times, Australia 3 times. We even went on a cruise ship from Shanghai to Japan, which is bananas. And basically we just like worked way too hard. And been dreaming about this for 4 months. And so after all this hard slog, on all these amazing projects all around the world, we get to come back to our motorcycle and continue living our little dream. And so the next leg, we're going from Bangkok, well, pretty much near where we are. We're going from Bangkok and we're heading to Bhutan via Myanmar, India and Bangladesh. And so in that 4 months, we stored all this stuff under the stairs of a place called the Plod Stop, owned by this guy called David, who's a legend. And so we haven't seen it for ages. So it's all here, which is good. And now we're gonna unpack it. Yeah.
So now it's time to see what's in all these bags and do a full cull and see how minimal we can get. I deeply regret getting everything out of the panniers. Now I have to put it all away.
The rear tire is flat, not surprising. And so I'm gonna see how I go. I've never used this thing before, but hopefully I'm going to stuff it up. And action. Boom, baby. Smoking.
Oh. What if you touch it?
Ah! Nothing. Alright, we got a tire again.
Oh wow, that was easy.
And next, the battery's dead. That's me because I'm an idiot because I left it attached, which every other time I've actually detached it, so that's my bad. But we do have this cool little jump starter thing from Rocky Creek. This hasn't been touched for like 4 months. So hopefully it's actually going to work. But this is meant to jumpstart the bike. I'm gonna press. There you go, it didn't work. Will the car be big enough to jumpstart the motorcycle?
And now for a segment on where we talk about some gear that we think is cool. Hashtag not sponsored. This episode we're talking about the SteriPen. While we're in Southeast Asia, obviously you can't drink the tap water, so you end up spending a lot of money and wasting a lot of plastic if you buy water from the shops. So we have what we call a SteriPen, which is basically an ultraviolet light that you can shine into a glass of tap water and it'll sterilize it for you. And so we found ourselves this. It's 1 litre, so it's work with the SteriPen, and it packs down like this. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna drink water from the tap. I'm just gonna go fill this up. Ta-da! Push once for 1 litre. So, alright, it's flashing. I realized you couldn't actually see the light in the other shot, so I'm just gonna do that again. Stereo pen, tap water. You can see that? All right, the light just went off. Okay, well, let's hope it works. And here's my sterilized, delicious tap water.
Good morning. We are now about to go and change all the fluids on the bike, make sure it's all nice and lubed up. And I forgot to mention, I'm just getting ready. Look at the beautiful Amelia, so pretty. We also have our guard dog. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He always has a little heart on as well. Let's go back here. On the day of departure, we discovered a slow leak in Wolf's rear tyre. The tyre and valve is fine, so I found a local mechanic to help out. At first we thought it was the spoke, but eventually discovered it was actually the rim tape, which is a major pain in the arse to buy a new one. So we patched the existing one, stuck a tube in it, and finally we were ready to hit the road.
Steve's doing the final touches. Oh wow, that's a very neat line.
Oh, it's the width of my finger, that's how neat it is. But thank you so much. I'm going to lay this back in so it's the panty is waterproof. And look at that, Bob's your uncle.